Today we are going to make the bed and I need to find a set of sheets. I don't have time to wash my sheets. Let's see, not flannel, too hot. Here's a set. These are like this taupe. Maybe that's too strong of a word. They're just like creamish tan. That'll work. Oh, I see my comforter cover in here that I have left messages about before. So this is that comforter, so you can see that's what it looks like. And it's got a button closure at the bottom. I just don't use it very often because it's really made for a king, so it's just kind of too short. All right, so here's the sheets. I'm gonna throw them into the bedroom. Boink. And now pillowcases. Let's see if I can find 6 white ones. 1, 2, 3. Throw those in there. What else can I find? Is that a pillowcase? Nope, that's a sheet. I don't like that one. Okay, 4. Maybe we'll just go with these ones. How about that? Those will be fine. All right, let's make the bed. Okay, so today I still have on the mattress cover and I'm just doing sheets and putting on the same, what's that baby called? The same duvet cover. That's it. Okay, so I undid part of this and then I left to close the door and then I came back and now I can't remember how it is. What am I doing here? There we go. These are actually very nice sheets that I got at an estate sale. So many good things come from estate sales. Okay, so it's a little tight. Did you notice the strategy that I used? Fist in the corner. These sheets don't go on as easily as my other ones. Whew, that kind of wore me out. Okay, where's that corner? I would have it nice and easy if I were on the other side of the bed. Where is it? Sheesh. There we go. I probably had these on the line and kind of folded them off to take them off the line. That didn't sound right. Folded them, was taking them off the line, and I folded them kind of while I was just like pulling them off and folding them up. They're not folded very nicely. It really is more helpful to make a bed when your sheets are folded super nice. But these sheets feel really good and they smell good. I just love hanging things on the line. If you haven't watched any of my videos with clothes and stuff hanging on the line, you really should. It's so relaxing. Did I just mess it up? I yanked it a little bit from the other side on accident. I mean, I yanked it on purpose, but I yanked a little too much. see. Not too much damage. Rob doesn't really like to sleep with a lot of sheet anyway. He doesn't even like his corner all the way tucked in. Okay, cool. Let's see. Let's have the plain color on top this time. Since I've got that sheet or pillowcase, what am I doing? I'm getting it together, okay? Don't worry. I just realized one of the pillowcases that I grabbed wasn't white. It's flannel with light colored flowers on it. I'll use it though. Wait. It's inside out. Is it holy? I haven't seen this pillowcase in forever. That's probably why it was like crammed away back in there. It's fine. It's pretty. I'll use it. Let's see. One long one. You know how I am by now about my long pillow, right? Gotta have it. It's a long pillowcase. Next one, I'll have the flowery flannel one. And then the one on top can be the decorative one. Really goes with the other sheets, but that's okay. Looks fine, right? Sure. Okay. Long pillowcase, good deal. Shake it out before I stick it under my chin this time. I know, we probably should get a new one of these, but sometimes Rob folds it in half, uses it to prop himself up when he's watching TV, so it's not really a big deal. My bed's good for another couple of weeks. If you enjoyed that video, check out my other ones. Maybe you'll find some laundry videos you like, or another type of bed making video. I do have some where I give you very good details on exactly how to make the bed. All right, friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye.